Okay, guys, welcome back. This is, I think, the fourth time I'm uh, trying to make this video. Okay, this time let's go. We want to create a project for our class. What we do, as you remember, we are learning class how to write classes in the last lessons, and now we want to write a class project. In the past lesson, we create a CSV files called scores, and it's the students and their exam scores, and we find the elite one by writing and def, and it's a easy project. It's total time I think 6 or 7 classes to write, but now we want to put this student name in a classes. Okay, let's go and write it. We create a folder project 2 and put our lab and file there. Okay, let's go to our lab. Now at first we import pandas as PD, and then we say def for data frame PD dot read CSV and put the name here. If you click on tab, this help button is okay, where we write pandas has no read CSV yet. Okay, now let's see what def is. Absolutely, you are know what we are talking about. Okay, now let's write a class. Think, we don't know how to write a class. What we do, we go to W3 schools and search class and copy this line just we copy it and try to modify this. For person we write a student and def in itself name age. Name is right. For age we copy mathematics, okay, and comma science, English, history, social studies, and the French in the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make me really happy. Okay, now we copy this line and paste it 5 more times. Sorry, we do it wrong. Let's paste it down there. 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, it's enough. Now copy this and put them here. Mathematics, science, English, history, social studies, and French. Our class is ready. Let's run our class. Okay, we create a class, a student, for example, what we call our student, we call it John. And put his numbers 100, for example, 25, 31, 42, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 56. Now P1 name, P1 science, for example, science. Okay, what is it says it's not that app science, we just write it wrong. As you can see, name John and science. And now we can also print the class to print P1 for example French, Add the scores here. We created our class. In the next lesson, we are going to do what? We are going to create a for to append all of these to classes. Okay, let's see, we can save the classes in a list or not. Let me see. No, we see it in the tomorrow lesson. Okay, have a good time. Until tomorrow, we complete this project.